Yo, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. Sorry about that. I mean, this camera, just cut off on me. But anyway, yeah. So this is my back office, as you can see right now. As you can see, this is a brand new system, a new update system that pre-launched about a month ago. So yeah, we have dashboard, my packages, my account, my products, marketing hub, my downline, my team, my commissions, easy cash wallet, and news and leaderboards. And yeah, and leaderboard. So here's the thing. I have I know some of you guys are very, very skeptical about joining Easy One Up, but if you really want to make money and you really looking for the opportunity, I suggest for you to go ahead and click that first link in the description and get started. No ands or buts, because if you're saying that, hey, my job, I hate my job, I hate my 9 to 5 job, and I want to kick my 9 to 5 job to the curb because they're really paying the butt right now and they're not actually doing, I'm not satisfied at my job, and it's like I need something for right now. You know what I mean? So that's what you guys want. So here's the thing. Here's what I can do for you. I can show you once you become a member. So Easy One Up is a one-time investment. There are no monthly fees. You get me? There are no monthly fees. You can earn up to $25 to $2,000 daily. But we have 6 different memberships, but you only have to pick one. So my just for you is to go ahead and click that first link in the description down below. Because if you are serious, and I recommend you to come join me, because you'll get bonuses that I'm offering you right now. You'll get bonuses, like I'm telling you. You'll get full access to your back office. But let me tell you something. This is a member to member program. So you only invest only one time. Once you invest one time, there's no monthly fee. So that means you keep your service. You keep your Easy One Up services and you keep promoting. Okay? So that's what you want to do. So here's my thing. Um, I'm going to go to my to the Easy One Up training area. So as a Easy One Up member, you're going to you're going to watch a video training, because it's going to show you how to increase your cash flow, how to make more money, and how to promote Easy One Up in a different way. So what you want to do, you want to promote your digital membership product to new people who are you can reach people on Facebook for free. There's no you ain't gotta pay anything for Facebook. Facebook is free. It's free. So you can reach out to new people, or you can go to groups and type in affiliate marketing and hit groups and join the groups and tell people, hey, are you guys looking for opportunity to make money? Are you looking for opportunity? Because I know some of you guys hate working from your 9 to 5 job and you're looking for opportunity and you're looking for a way to make money online. And if I know half of you guys never make money, then I might have a good solution idea for you, which is if you want to learn more, then make sure you send me a message. That's what you tell them. All right. So here's the thing: when you come join as an Easy One Up member, you're going to have full access to your office, to your back office, and then what you're going to do here, you're going to set up everything that you need and make sure you take notes. And you're going to watch the first video. It's only like an hour and 9 minutes and 36 seconds. So you're going to click here. You're going to watch it. And then you're gonna go through all these training videos like I did. I went through all these training videos, and it showed me, and it showed me, and it showed me how to make money. Okay, so what you want to do if you want to have, if you want to learn how to get free traffic to your Easy One Up digital product membership area, I can teach you that as well. But I'm looking for serious people who's really serious, who's ready to take action right now. So if you really want to take action, then you need to pay attention, because if you don't, then you're gonna miss out the opportunity that was given to you. And plus, I have bonuses that I'm offering right now. But I can't offer you bonuses unless you're serious. Unless you are serious. If you're not serious, then I'm not going to offer any bonuses. Now, if you want to go, now here's the thing. I will tell you, if you want to go join someone else's program that's not going to tell you anything, that want to use you and not showing you and not telling you what to do, then you made a bad choice. Okay. But if you want to learn from a real person like me, that could teach you how to promote on Facebook and how to run free traffic and give you and offer you a bonus at the end, then you're gonna be like, hey man, thank you for offering me a bonus, because now I just learned your strategy. You see? Now most of you guys want to take action and most of you don't. So if some of you guys want to take action, then give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell button as well too, because I always come up with videos like every other week throughout the month. So I always come up with new videos how to make money from home as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so my thing is, you guys need to watch the present, not the presentation video, which is a training video that's going to explain everything about what you're going to do when are you as a member when you're going to start promoting. Okay, so they have everything on here that you need as an online member. So as I'm telling you guys right now, once you do all that, you're going to promote it. You're going to promote Easy One Up. And this is a one-time investment. There's no monthly fees after you pay your first time. So just remember that. After you pay your first time, that would be it. You're only gonna pay, you ain't gotta pay no more fees. Okay? This is a one-time investment. All right? Then you could do whatever with your system. All right? So my advice to you guys is I recommend you guys to join me, because I'm not gonna make you join me. I'm just recommending you guys, because if you're looking for opportunity, there's the link in the description down below in the first box right there in the first section in the description below. And I want you to take action, because if you really want to know, if you really want to learn how to make money from home, then I can teach you, I can motivate you, and I can show you, and then you can teach other people as well. So if you really want to take my advice, then feel free to do what you want. You know, I ain't gonna make you join. It's all up to you. Because if you really want to take, if you really want to take your business and you want to grow it to the next level, then I think you should take action instead of you know, not doing anything. Because guys, I know, I was very skeptical at first. I was very skeptical, but now I'm not skeptical no more, because I got over that. I watched a couple of videos on YouTube. I thought like, this is legit. I thought it was gonna BS me, but I couldn't find out Easy One Up is not a BS. Easy One Up is a legit, it's a legitimate company system that will allow you to generate between $25 to $2,000. So if you guys looking for opportunity, you make sure you hit that first link in the description down below. Because I'm telling you right now, this company, this system will definitely change your life. And it'll definitely pay off your credit card debts, your student loans, anything if you're in debt with, if you have anything that's in your name that needs to be cleared, Easy One Up would do that for you. I'm telling you, this is a done for you system that will allow you to generate between $25 to $2,000 daily. And only on top of that too, you can get paid instantly, which is the same day. The same day, however you want. But if you really want to do it like that, then you know what to do. Without further ado, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie. I will see you guys on the other side. And I will put my email at the description down below. So if you have any further questions, you feel free to email me. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.